And so these are a collection of our white papers that are written by industry professionals and curated by our editor-in-chief, Rachel Stewart. And so one insider report that we typically direct our students to, our private training engagement clients to, is the Xactimate, the history and the future. And so this particular white paper took about 10 months to write. There must have been 30 individuals involved in the curation of this particular white paper, and we attempt to explore really the history all the way back to 1987 of Xactimate, and so its broad adoption, the 90s, right, and its eventual acquisition, and how all of these aspects have really impacted this software that serves this $200 billion a year industry. And so we believe that without that perspective, you're at a significant disadvantage as it relates to settling claims.